So hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video we will be solving the hyperfile table by Sherlocks or in Sherlocks, not by Sherlock. So this is kind of phishing kind of scenario where you guys have a round table or you guys get asked question by someone and you have to answer them. So this is that kind of Sherlock. So let's read the scenario first and then we'll pursue further with this. So there have been a new joiner in Forela and they have downloaded their onboarding document. Nice. However, someone has managed to phish the user with a malicious attachment. Got it? And we have only managed to pull the MFT record from the new user. Nice. Are you able to triage this information? So they are asking us if we can triage this, and these are the questions we have to answer. So I have already created a document on the Obsidian. Over here I will be putting all the answers. So let's start with this, but before that we have few things to do. Let's download the file first, then I'll show you what we have to do. Okay, so it's there and save it here. Open the folder, unzip the file and extract file to this, and the password is hack the blue. There we go, we got a file in here. So to work on this, we'll be using like three tools. First, we'll unzip this using BZ2. The second one is we can use like this MFTE CMD. This will help us to convert the file into like what we say in JSON format, or we can convert it into the CSV format. That way we can easily read the data. And the other one is this is MFT Explorer. You can see I have extracted that. So this is a kind of visual one. We can directly see the visual of in the GUI. So let's go here, first extract this file from BZ2. So over here we'll be using bzip. There we go, we have the command and -d to decompress it, and we'll enter. There we go, we got the file. It's still decompressing it, so it might take time, but once it's decompressed, I'll show you guys like how you can use a terminal to like use this. So let me directly show you the command. So if you are guys using the MFTE CMD, you can extract the file using that. So this is a file. You can use this command to convert it into the JSON. Let me zoom in a bit. And this one to convert it into the CSV. So the command is basically same. This is one for the file. If you want to give it the whole directory, you can change flag -f to -d, and this is the only flag you have to change after that. If you want the output in the CSV, you can use this. If you want in the JSON, you can use this. So let's go back to the file, and for this one we'll be using the GUI version of MFT Explorer. So first question was like, what is the MD5 hash of the MFT file? Okay, let's put this first unzip. Okay, so we have added the command over here, and to check this one we'll be using another command. Okay, let's put a space here, and as we'll be using command, let's search for this. We'll be using MD5 sum, and with that we'll give the file name MFT raw, and with this we should get the MD5 of this file, and there we go, we got the file name, sorry, the MD5 hash of the file. Let's paste it here, and this specifically below here, delete the space, and there we have the first answer. And the next one is, what is the name of the only user on the system? Okay, so let's open this in the Explorer. There, open this. We can get answers using the other way, but that's quite a long crawl if we work with that. Let's load the MFT file. There we have it. It will take some time to load, so I'll be back when the loading is complete. Okay, the file is almost about to load, as you guys can see in the timestamp. If you go a little bit back, it's been already, I guess, the 5 minutes since it's loading. What is it asking for? We don't want to close. Okay, so I actually clicked on the close. So it's been 5 to 6 minutes since it's been loading. Okay, so let's move it here on this screen and open the Obsidian on this one. Let's minimize this, and now if we look for the question, they are asking what is the name of the only user on the system. So we can find this in here. That's Randy Savage. Let's copy its username. Okay, why copy? Let's type it. Where is it? There we go. Randy space SAVAGE, and the next one in what is the name of malicious HTA that was downloaded by the user, by that user. Okay, so I guess we can find that into the downloads. Let's drop it down in the downloads. There we have it. Onboarding.hta. Let's copy this if possible and paste it here. No, I guess I copied something wrong and it's going to break the Obsidian now. No. Whatever I've copied, it's correct. Let's put it back. Onboarding.hta. And the next one is what is the zone ID of the file for the malicious HTA file? That's a tough one, but I guess it should contain some sort of URL. Okay, there we have it. It's containing the URL and the zone ID is 3. Let's copy this and paste it here. Not this, the zone ID bro. Over here we paste it. We got the zone ID. And next is what is the download URL for the malicious HTA. Got it. Next we have the URL. Let's copy this. Okay, this is the whole URL. Copy and we paste it here. We got the URL. And what is the next one? What is the allocated size for the HTF file? Okay, so we need the file size. Do they have it here? Seems no. Let's see what else we can fetch from these details. Over here it's empty. Do we have it here somewhere? No, this is the data. So this data is in hexa. Don't we have? Okay, we have dark mode. Nice. This looks fine, but still this is pretty bad and this is hard to read what this stuff is. Let's go back to the flashbang. Well, let's expand it a bit and put it here. So now we need the file size. We'll come back to this later. I guess we have to convert this into the hexa. So this is actually the logic size over here. This is the physical size, the onboarding.hta. Let's copy this and go to the CyberChef and check if that can help. Paste it here and from hexa. Nope, I know. Only keep this word. Okay, let's paste it here and now we have to convert it into the decimal. Nope, from hexa to decimal. Not this one. This one is definitely not. This is the physical size. Decimal. Okay, not this one. What is the logical size of this? Okay, so this is going to be the answer, I guess, because this is a logical size. Let's copy this 0 and we paste it here because we are looking for the logical size which was allocated. And it's already in bits. So let's copy the variable also, the logical size from which we are converting it to this, and we'll put it here and put this here. What is the real size of HTF file? Okay, sorry, I guess we did the wrong. This is actually the logical size which was actually over there. We need the physical size first because that's the file size. Sorry, my bad. So the physical size was this and we go back and put it here. Enter. This is going to be the physical size. Okay, let's go back to the Obsidian, paste it here and this, copy the physical size hex, paste it here and there we go. We have the both answers, the physical size and the logical size. And the next one is when was the PowerPoint presentation downloaded by the user? Okay, so I don't see any PowerPoint file over here though. So it should be in different file. Check in documents. There is a work file, work folder. Let's check that, what that have. There we have it. In the work we have the notes, proposal, PPT and stats.xl. So it's asking for the PPT. I guess this has to be the one. And let's copy this. Let's take the screenshot of this and paste it here. That way we'll keep the track of it. And the answer we have to pull for this file. What was the PowerPoint presentation down? Okay, when was the? So if we look here, we have created on. So I guess this has to be the one, because at this time this was actually came into the system, and this has to be the correct answer. Let's paste this too. We can remove this big margin. Okay, we got the answer for the 8th. And the second last one, the user has made note of their work credential. What is their password? Note of the work credential. This is a note. This should be containing some sort of data. Let's keep scrolling and see if there is anything. And there we have it. This is the username for and the others data. Let's paste it, and we'll put bullet points here too and drag it below. So it got downloaded from the Google Drive, and the username is this, the password is this, and the last one is how many files remain under the C user directory. Okay, how many files remain under the C username directory? Over here, does it show the total size also? I'm not sure. Full expand? No, not full collab. Under, I'm reading correct. C user directory. C user, it has to be this. How many files? Can we check it here? Don't know if we can find it here though. So we have to run some sort of recursion recursively. That's going to be blast. Okay guys, so for the last one, I guess we have to extract the file and convert it into the JSON, and using that we'll use a query, and we'll try to fetch the number using the word count or maybe the lines. That way we might get the proper answer for this. So to do that, let's open the terminal. Let's go to the Sherlocks. Then what was the file name? I guess this was the one. We are already going to Sherlocks cd Hypertable, and no, let's go out. Over here we'll use a tool which was mfd cmd space hyphen file space. Now we'll give it the file path. It was here. Let's just copy this and we'll paste it here in double quotes, and the next one is going to be the output. Let's keep it into the JSON, and then we'll do this. We'll paste back. We'll just remove the file name and we'll keep the file output in the same folder. Let's click on enter and it should start working, and there we go. We got the JSON output successfully. Let's close this and we go back to the Kali. Over here, let's ls. We will cat this. Next we'll pipe and after pipe, let's do the jq dot pipe grep only the user. I guess that's what we are looking for. Where did it go? Over here. Yeah, we are only looking for the users directory. Let's fix the name users, put the hyphen e space now pipe, and if we put the word count hyphen line, enter, we should get the number from this, and it's showing 5680, and I'm not sure how correct is this. So let's check the count hyphen c. Okay, that's a big number. Let's wc hyphen h. Okay, you need to put the hyphen h. We won't be checking the bytes nor the characters. Max line length, that won't do. Let's do the word count rather than the line. Let's see how many words are there. That way we might be able to. Okay, that's another big number. So we got the 3 numbers. I'm not sure if any of these are going to be the correct one. Let's go to the Hack the Box and check here. In the end, it's asking for the 4 numbers, and we are getting this, and none of them contain the 1. So how we can check? Let's rather than word count, let's check what sort of output it's providing. Users. Got it. Oh yeah, we forgot one thing. Let's call the unique ones only. I think we are doing correct. If we put pipe here and call sort hyphen u, and let's check what number we'll get this time. This time we got 3250. I'm not sure that's also correct number because this doesn't contain 1. We tried this. No. Okay, we didn't sort and the parameters are jumbled. Hey, let's word count hyphen lines. This time what we'll get? Okay, we went way down. Let's remove the sort. What we'll get this time? 5680. That's a still big number if I would say, and this doesn't contain one. Okay, so now how can we check? Should we check it over here? Let's open it into the VS Code, and this format isn't promising. Let's convert this into the proper JQ and put this into the temp.json. Enter. Okay, so we have converted the file into the JQ format, and if we now open this, it should be in JQ format. Yep. Let's do this find, and we'll do users. No, capital USERS. There we have it. Now this will short the range. We'll just look for this number, and on this I don't think we can query the unique over here, and we can't go recursive also. Okay guys, after trying many things, I went to the file after extracting it using MFTECMD. So we got the file, and I tried many things, and this is how I filtered it. I'm sure this is not a right way to filter the stuff, and I don't know how I get the answer, but I asked someone and he gave me the digits, and I guess I was able to match that digit. That's what I was able to do. I tried few stuff like over here, if you put is direct, you can put it into the false, so that way it will filter out that which file is direct and which is coming from directory. If it's coming from directory, it will be over here. Let me show you the filter. It will take some time because that's a pretty damn big file. Over here there's only two variables we had, or sorry, not a two variable but two type of boolean we had, so false and true. So if it's false, that means it's a file, and if it's true, it's coming for the directory, and it will true will consider for the directory. After that I checked for all the file which contain users, and I filter it out according to that. I removed the dot from the starting, and you can see I only filter for the users. After that I tried filtering some extensions which I found that can be or should be extension and shouldn't be extension. There are some over here, as you guys can see, DB generals, this one, automatic destination, MS. I'm not sure how much I have done correct or not, but I was able to match the number. This is the last question you have to either ask someone, or maybe you guys can check the IPSAC video. He will be releasing it soon. Maybe check, ask from someone, and he might be able to help you there, he or she. And that's what I got so far. And let's now match the answer. I got the number. Let's put it over here at the end, and now let's fill these numbers over here. Let's close this file. No, let's not close this file. I want to delete this file after this. We'll go back to the Hyperfiletable, put it here and this. So let's start answering the questions. First, what's the MD5 hash? We got that. This is the MD5 we got from the file. Paste, correct. Next was the username. This was the only user over there we was able to find. Copy, paste, submit. Next, the onboarding, the file we found which was HT and was a malicious one as they asked for. And the next one is what's the zone ID. This we found before the URL. Next, we got the URL. So let's put the URL here, submit. So far we are matching the numbers. Next, what is the file size, allocated file size, which we got from the physical size. Paste it. Next, into the bits, which is a logical size. Paste it here. Next, what time the PowerPoint presentation was downloaded. This is the time we got in here. We have to change it as per the format. Let's do that. Date is 05 / month is 04 / 2023 space. The time will remain the same. Let's copy this, paste it here, and we'll do this, copy and paste it here. So it should accept that. There we go. And the next one is the user made a note, and the credential we found from there. This is a password. They should have asked for the username too, but whatever. And the last one, which took me the whole day, as you guys can see how much time it took me. You guys will see the quite a bit time lapse in the recording. So this is the last number I got with the help, and we submit it. And there we go. We have pawned the box. So thanks for watching, guys. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.